Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we are going to take up one very interesting rational equation problem which we'll be solving for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing our denominator x plus 1 cannot be equal to 0. So x cannot be equal to minus 1. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we can write our equation 13x minus x square over x plus 1 in bracket x times x plus 1 will be x square plus x plus 13 minus x over x plus 1 will be equal to 42 plus x minus x will be over. We will get 13x minus x square over x plus 1 times x square plus 13 over x plus 1 equal to 42. Now we can use substitutions. So let's say first bracket 13x minus x square over x plus 1 equal to a and x square plus 13 over x plus 1 equal to b. So we can write our first equation after this substitution a times b or ab equal to 42. Now we'll find a plus b. So we will write here a plus b equal to, we'll write value of a which is 13x minus x square over x plus 1. Value of b will write x square plus 13 over x plus 1. Now we'll take LCM. So in denominator we have common denominator x plus 1. In numerator we'll write 13x minus x square plus x square plus 13. Plus x square minus x square will get over and we will take 13 common from the numerator. So there would be x plus 1 in the bracket and in denominator we have x plus 1 which we will cancel. This will be equal to 13. So our second equation would be a plus b equal to 13. And our equation 1 is a times b equal to 42. Now from this equation, if I will find value of b in terms of a, we can write 13 minus a, which we will apply over here. So our equation can be written as a times 13 minus a equal to 42. Or we'll write 13a minus a square equal to 42. By taking all the terms to right hand side, we will get a square minus 13a plus 42 equal to 0. So we have one quadratic equation a square minus 13a plus 42 equal to 0, which we will solve using method of factorization. So we'll split our middle term minus 13a minus 6a minus 7a plus 42 equal to 0. From first two terms a is common, so there would be a minus 6 in the bracket. From next two terms we will take minus 7 common, so we will write a minus 6 once again equal to 0. Now a minus 6 is common. We will write factorization a minus 6 times a minus 7 equal to 0. We'll use product 0 rule. So either a minus 6 equal to 0 or a minus 7 equal to 0. From first equation, we'll get a equal to 6. From second equation, we'll get a equal to 7. And a is 13x minus x square over x plus 1. So we'll write here 13x minus x square over x plus 1 equal to 6 and equal to 7. So let's solve first equation first. We'll cross multiply. So I can write 13x minus x square over x plus 1 equal to 6. After cross multiplying terms, 13x minus x square will be equal to 6x plus 6. By writing all the terms to RHS, x square minus 7x plus 6 equal to 0. Again we have quadratic equation which we will solve using method of factorization. So x square minus 7x can be written as minus x minus 6x plus 6 equal to 0. From first two terms x is common. We'll get x minus 1 in the bracket. From next two terms we'll take minus 6 common. So there must be x minus 1 in the bracket equal to 0. So x minus 1 is common. We'll get second factor x minus 6 equal to 0. Again we will use product 0 rule. So either x minus 1 equal to 0 or x minus 6 equal to 0. So we will get x equal to 1, and from second equation x equal to 6. So we have two real values of x. Now we have another equation. I will write here 13x minus x square over x plus 1 equal to 7. Again we will cross multiply and we will write 13x minus x square equal to 7x plus 7. By writing all the terms to right hand side, we will get x square minus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. We have quadratic equation. This time I will use completing the square method. So I will take plus 7 to the RHS. So we can write x square minus 6x equal to minus 7. Now we have coefficient of x minus 6, half of minus 6 minus 3, square of minus 3 9. We will add 9 to both sides. Now LHS becomes x minus 3 whole square and RHS is 2. We will take square root both sides and we will write x minus 3 equal to plus minus square root 2. By adding 3 both sides, we will get 3 plus minus square root 2. So overall, we have 4 real solutions. Let me write all the solutions here. X equal to 1, 6, 3 plus square root 2, 3 minus square root. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.